Look at that. Anybody know what that is? That is good old-fashioned sun tea. I always make it in these gallon jugs. I just buy these gallon jugs of water, and then I just stick my tea bags in there. I use the Louisiana family size tea bags, and I usually put like 7 of them to a gallon of water, and I usually leave it out there about 3.5 hours, actually, to be exact. So it makes the best sweet tea. Well, it's regular tea, but then you have to put, then you put sugar in it. I usually use about a cup of sugar to a gallon of tea, and it makes it perfect. I don't like it too sweet. I like it just a little tiny bit. I'm gonna pour me some. Look at that. I think I got an iceberg in there. I am all out of lemon. I found this little tiny piece here in my refrigerator. It's the butt end, but you know what? That's fine. I always like the butt end of it anyway because it just seems to have so much flavor. This is one of my little dollar store cups, and it's my favorite to drink tea out of. Don't ask me why, but it is. Yummy. Look at that. And to make the best tea, you have to make sure that it gets nice and cold. Don't be prepared to drink it right away once you bring it out of the sun, because if you pour it over the ice, it just melts that ice and it dilutes it and makes it like watery. So when I make mine, I like to put it in the refrigerator a couple hours until it's nice and chilled, and that crisp flavor of that tea just, it's magical. I'm trying to drink this up because I want to make another gallon of it tomorrow. I usually put it out first thing in the morning, about, I don't know, about 9 o'clock, 9:30, somewhere around there, so I can have it nice and ready to go by, you know, later on in the day. I like it. I love tea. Always look forward to sun tea. I've tried to make it on the stove, and I just don't think it's as good as, it's just not as good as sun tea. Let me tell you what I got going on today. I'm keeping it simple today. I made, I know that you guys seen that, what was it? It was pizzas, that margarita pizza that I made last week, a couple weeks ago. I bought some more of those type crusts, and I'm just making regular pizzas today. For the hubby, he's just gonna have pepperoni and cheese, and Olivia's at work, so I'll have hers prepared when she gets home. She loves those margarita pizzas, which I do too. And I bought, for mine, I bought some green peppers and mushrooms. I'm gonna put some green peppers, mushrooms, and onions on mine. We're also gonna have salad with it, so pizza and salad. Pizza is not one of my favorite things to eat. I know people are like, what? But I've never, I don't know. I like pizza, don't get me wrong, but you know, my husband thinks he has to have it once a week or whatever, and I'm just not that type of person. I just don't like pizza once a week. I just can't do it. But I'm gonna get some stuff ready for a salad. They had their lettuce on sale today at the grocery store. It was, normally it's like $1.79 a head, but today they had it for 99 cents, and no wonder they had it for 99 cents. It was nasty. I can't even believe that they're even gonna try to sell that. It had like slime. It was nasty. So I ended up buying the pre-shredded lettuce that has like the purple cabbage and stuff in it, so I think that's gonna be fine. I'm gonna throw some tomatoes and some cucumbers. I still got a couple of these little baby cucumbers left, and I'm gonna throw some of those in there, maybe some onion. I think I might have some croutons. Olivia said I have croutons. I better have croutons because I want croutons for my salad. And I'm gonna chop my veggies for my pizza, and I'm gonna make some garlic sauce, not sauce, some garlic butter to brush right over the pizza, the tops of the pizza, and I'm gonna make my homemade pizza sauce. So they're gonna be good. They're gonna be good. You know what? Maybe I might retire this sweet tea and have me a nice cold beer with my pizza. That sounds really good. good. That is so good. So good. If you haven't made your own pizza sauce, then you need to make it. It's so simple. It's so easy. I'm sure I've got several recipes already on here to show you how to do that. I've done several vlogs on that. Got my veggies cut for my pizza. Let me show you. This is for my pizza. That's a lot of veggies, isn't it? And this is for salad. Look how beautiful those colors are. The only thing that I have to do now is just put my pizzas together, and that's it. This is the pizza crust that we're using today. It is a thin pizza crust. That's what it is. They are super thin, and these are absolutely amazing. I've used these before. These are so good. If you want to learn how to make your own pizza crust, I've already got a recipe on here to do that as well. I've also got a low-carb pizza crust recipe, which I think that you guys will really enjoy. Let's start off by brushing my pizza with a little bit of my pizza crust with a little bit of garlic butter. It just makes it taste so much better. And you can bake these right on the center oven rack. Nothing to do but build your pizza, right? Then we're gonna put some sauce on there. I made a ton of sauce, but that's perfectly okay. It freezes really well. I put it in a little freezer Ziploc bag and put it right in the freezer. And then whenever anybody wants, you know, a pizza, all they have to do is pull that sauce out. It's perfect. And then also if you make like toasted ravioli or anything like that, it's a fabulous marinara sauce. I'm gonna put some pepperoni on the bottom of the pizza. I'm also gonna put some on the top of the cheese. He likes extra pepperoni on this pizza. You gotta make him feel special every now and then, right? You gotta make them feel loved every now and then. So we're gonna do some pepperoni on the bottom and on the top. It smells so good. I done a little filming today. Got up bright and early. You know, filming, being a content creator, it absolutely, it can be exhausting. I mean, you know, if you work a full-time job like I do, and then you come home, and then on your days off, you're trying to create some good content for, you know, all your followers. Look at that. We're gonna do some more on the top with cheese. It is a lot of work. It's a lot of work preparing, especially if you do like cooking videos. You have to prepare all of your ingredients, all the chopping, and just, you know, preparing everything. It takes a lot of time. And then clean up if you plan on doing, you know, more than one video a day, which I like to do more than one video a day. Just makes it easier if I can sit down and try to get all my videos edited in like a day or so. I try to do about 3 a week. I try to do even more than that. So on my weeks that I work, I have long weeks to work, then it's all done. He likes extra cheese on his. He likes extra everything on his. I gotta save some for my pizza. He ain't getting all of it. Look at that. I'm gonna place some pepperonis on top. Now that's what you call spoiled, my friends. Yeah, what do you think about that? It's pretty, isn't it? All right, he said he's running a couple minutes late, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on mine. I'm not gonna pop his in just yet. We're gonna brush this with some garlic butter. Look at those little holes down in there. See, that garlic butter just goes right down in there. Makes it yummy. We don't like the same things on pizza. Oh gosh, I gotta get some of that garlic on mine. All right, I don't know where the camera shut off at, but it shut off. You know how it does that. I gotta get some of these videos uploaded. I have a ton of videos on here to get uploaded. A little bit of pepper on mine. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks. how nice and crispy that is. I changed my mind. I ended up putting some pepperonis on it. Remember, I said I wasn't going to, but I changed my mind. You hear how nice and crispy that crust is. Look at that. And you can get these crusts right at your local grocery store. I got mine over by where they sell the pizza, you know, like pizza mixes, pizza sauce, all that stuff. They're just like the thin, super thin crust. Look at that. I'm gonna try a bite. Hot. Man, that's good. Of course, mine would have been a little bit better if I wouldn't have given all the cheese to my husband. He said he has so much cheese on his pizza that it's kind of like sealing itself back together, but I don't know what he's saying. Who cares? This is so good though. I love green peppers and onions on mushrooms and mushrooms on pizza. I hope you like this little video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Give it a thumbs up if you don't. You know I love you guys very much. I'll see you next time.